silk press or a wig? No, for real. I think I just found the most realistic glueless wig, guys. Well, let me know if I'm wrong. Too early to judge, right? Let's get right into it and find out. I received this wig from Isee Hair. Am I the only one seeing Yaki straight all over the internet lately? And guys, I tried it once on a bob wig. The way it held the layers, the way it held, this 90s bob look, I decided to try another Yaki straight wig. So I got this one from Isee Hair. It's a 9x6 Tpart closure. It came pre-plucked. This is what the lace is giving. Really, really nice. Tiny knots. I got the 20 inches length. It's just perfect. Has the adjustable band. A drawstring. I love me a wig with a drawstring. So I went in to tint the lace so it can match my skin tone, because I can still see the whitish line on the the hairline, so you don't want that looking all tacky. So first thing I do when wearing my wig is to adjust the band, because when you do that, it will fit, it will snug you. So look at that, guys. Gosh, straight out of the pack, you all look at that. Look, I was just so impressed. So I wore a wig cap and it was just showing. I don't like that demarcation the wig cap gives, so I was drawing the wig cap away so that I can have a plain clean line. I don't want it to look all messy and all of that. So but the hairline excited me the most. I was super impressed, you all. Like, this is so good. This is giving silk press, like the blend. So I also went in to draw the drawstring to tight it more, and the moment I did that, the lace disappeared completely. Like, it was nowhere to be found. I had to clap it, girls. It was so nice. Like, look at that. So but then I had to still finish the wig a little bit. I went in with a concealer to enhance the pattern, make it look more prominent. So just use your eyebrow, what's it called? That's the angle brush. That's what I used. And then just to use it to take some of the concealer and then make the pattern prominent. Then this is a wax stick, and this one is not oily. I don't like putting oily wax stick on my hair, because of the way it makes it look. But this one, I just wanted everything to sleek, you know what I mean? So that was just all I did. So next thing, I just thought, oh, why not make the layers come out more? So I went in with a heat protectant before I used a straightener, and then I started straightening it. I forgot to mention the wig came layered, pre-styled. Exactly, guys. So what I was just doing with the straightener was to curve it towards my face so the layers can be more prominent. And then that was just it. Sis, no glue, no mess, no stress. You saw me do it right in front of you. Look, as a mom of 2 active toddlers, I honestly do not have all the time in the world anymore for stressful installs. I need something literally throw on and get going. Like, my life is so busy, and This wig, I think I just found my wig for the spring season. Like, this is so good. First thing I noticed, the texture. You see Yaki texture, sis? This is your sign to try one. You're gonna love it. Then the lace blew me out. And yes, remember, always tint your laces if you want a clean, perfect installs like this without having to look all tacky. And if I'm to be real, it's high time these companies start tinting these laces, knowing fully well that the black skin women are their target audience. I mean, we buy these wigs the most. I'm not saying that some white people don't wear wig, right? But then is what it is, and it doesn't actually make sense that the laces still come untinted. They should use, you know, variety of listings, and then people can select from the website. What do you think? This is actually what I've been like talking about recently, and I think it's a good thing to consider. And then I tried to see if the Yaki straights can take some calls, and it did. I can't wait to restyle it in every way and form I love. If I'm to rate this wig in a beginner friendly tone, I would say 9 over 10. I'll keep the other one for me having to tint the lace. Be honest, if you saw me outside, would you ever guess that this is a wig? For real, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll be leaving all the hair dates in the description. Subscribe for more detailed tutorials. See you in the next one, lovely. Mwah.